Before the sun, the land breathes in mist and memory. Stones stand where ancestors slept, and horses wander through brass. Within the roundhouse, fire hums. Wool and smoke weave together, a mother's hands spinning life from the chill. High on the ridge, men mend walls of oak and earth, their breath fogging the air, guarding what time cannot steal. At the circle of stones, chants rise. The Druids call to the unseen sky, where the old gods still wait between clouds. By the river, hands shape earth and fire. Clay becomes vessel, metal becomes voice, each spark a prayer to endurance. In the forest hush, hunters move like shadows. Deerskin cloaks brush against fern, breath meeting breath beneath the trees. Night gathers. Around the fire, they share bread and song. Stars shimmer in their eyes, constellations reborn in flame. The world returns to silence. The people fade, but the stones remain,